Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make uterus healthy for pregnancy. Improving uterine health involves several key areas, including enhancing blood flow and ensuring proper nutrition. A well-nourished uterus creates an ideal environment for implantation and supports early fetal development, which is crucial for a healthy journey. Taking these proactive steps can significantly boost your chances. Lifestyle plays a significant role in uterine well-being. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity, such as brisk walking, on most days of the week to enhance blood flow. Additionally, achieving and maintaining a healthy body weight helps regulate hormones, which are vital for uterine function. Finding effective ways to manage stress is also incredibly beneficial. Your diet directly influences uterine health. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, like vibrant leafy greens and fiber-rich berries, which supply antioxidants. Staying well hydrated is also crucial. Aim for around 2 liters of water each day. Discuss with your doctor if a prenatal vitamin, offering important nutrients like folic acid and iron, is right for your specific needs. Regular medical checkups are fundamental for monitoring uterine health and catching potential issues early. It is also wise to limit exposure to harmful chemicals found in some products and reduce intake of substances like caffeine and alcohol. If you notice any concerning symptoms or have struggled with conception for over 6 months, please seek professional medical advice promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.